Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to solve Windows cannot connect to the Bluetooth devices. If you run into problems trying to connect to a Bluetooth device, here are some troubleshooting steps to try. Let's go start and solution 1. Press Windows plus R keys simultaneously to open the Run box. Type Services, MSC and press Enter key. Search for the Bluetooth service from the list. Now right-click on the Bluetooth Audio Gateway Services and click on Properties from the menu. Under Startup Type, pick Automatic. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Again right-click on the Bluetooth Support Services and click on Properties from the menu. Under Startup Type, pick Automatic. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Bluetooth User Services and click on Properties. Under Startup Type, pick Automatic. Click Start, Apply, and OK. It is not OK and cancel it. Now right-click on the Bluetooth User Services and select Start from the menu. Now check the All option is running and check whether the issue is resolved or not. Not OK. Solution 2. Press the Windows plus and type Troubleshooter Settings open. Click on the Troubleshooter Settings. Click on the other Bluetooth option. Now, locate the Bluetooth Troubleshooter and press the Run button next to it. Once the troubleshooter completes the scanning process, then it asks you to apply this fix. Hopefully, running the Bluetooth troubleshooter has resolved your error. Solution 3. Install Bluetooth driver in your laptop or PC and Windows updates. Restart your PC and check again. Solution 4. Go to the taskbar and right-click on the Bluetooth icon. Turn Bluetooth on and off. Now your Bluetooth device insert to your computer another port. Now click on Add Bluetooth or other device and try to reconnect your Bluetooth devices. Finally, successfully is connection. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video.